For larger groups of business travelers and families wanting to travel privately, VIP configurations of the ubiquitous Boeing 737 and Airbus A320 airliners have plenty to offer. Boeing business jets, like this BBJ-1 model on display with aircraft broker Opus Aero, is a prime example of how the generous space available inside the cabin can ensure comfort and convenience on intercontinental flights of over 6,000 miles, which is further than a typical 737, thanks to additional fuel tanks.
Hi everybody, my name is Zipporah Marmer with Opus Aero, and I'm very pleased to have you on board. Right behind me, you'll find a very large, comfortable galley conveniently tucked into this little corner. As we walk through the airplane, we of course have a forward lab, followed by some very comfortable seating here in the forward cabin, some executive club seats, and a nice divan for relaxing and catching up with your family or with your business associates on board. This aircraft is appointed for 16 passengers traveling, 9 passengers sleeping. It's well set up for either family usage or, of course, business usage. In the mid-cabin, we have a beautiful 6-person conference group table, great for business meetings or family dinners, however you prefer.
This BBJ is not fresh off the production line, but you'd never know it from the way the interior has been refreshed. It is more than 20 years old.
So the airplane was originally delivered in 2000. The interior was redone in 2014. It has been kept immaculately. This airplane is flown for the principal and his family, and I think it shows. It is certified to charter, but it does not charter, and they've just done a great job keeping this kind of timeless interior in impeccable condition.
New BBJs are sold as what is referred to as green aircraft, meaning they do not come outfitted with an interior and don't even have exterior paint. Working with a completions company, customers can have the interior configured exactly as they want it on a no-expense spared basis, or choose from one of Boeing's select series of cabin design layouts that still offer more than 216 different options. Moving towards the back of this BBJ, you can get a clearer feel for the privacy and amenities that these larger aircraft have to offer.
The aft cabin features 2 bedrooms with 2 private labs, each with their own shower. Yes, everyone, that is 2 showers on board this airplane. Please follow me. Here's the first of the 2 bedrooms, comfortably laid out with 2 single beds here, and of course, the private lab with shower. Now we move into the main suite in the aft of the aircraft. Beautiful double bed laid out for the principal's enjoyment, and of course the private lab as well here.
The care with which an aircraft like this has been treated matters a lot for its ongoing appeal.
For resale, most people are looking for airplanes that can be certified or are certified FAA Part 135, but of course they don't want it to have actually been used for 135. So you get the best of both worlds. Certified for everything, used privately and cared for as a real owner airplane, white glove service.
Having a jet certified to operate under commercial Part 135 rules gives a lot of flexibility in terms of where and how it can fly. But that doesn't necessarily mean owners will choose to let just anyone fly on it, even if that means saying no to possible income from charter flight bookings. While the BBJ's look is what grabs the eye of visitors, the aircraft's origins of having been designed for airline service underpin what it can offer in terms of performance and reliability.
BBJs, of course, are Boeing aircraft built for originally commercial operation. So whereas with business aircraft, a typical usage might be 400 hours per year, on a BBJ, they're built to fly 4,000 hours per year. So they're very robust, very reliable, very hardy airplanes. There's a big cost savings both in the operating costs and in the maintenance costs, because parts and windshields, etc. It's a big cost difference between a commercial aircraft part and a bizjet aircraft part. So BBJ owners are taking advantage of cost savings on the operating costs, on the maintenance costs, on the parts replacement costs, and even items like crew training are a fraction of the costs on a BBJ as they are on a typical bizjet.
What could possibly be the downside to owning this BBJ? Well, an aircraft of this size won't be able to fly into some smaller airports, such as Aspen or London City, and that means you may have to land somewhere that's further from your destination. And when you do land, the aircraft could be a little bit more head-turning and conspicuous than you'd like. You're also likely to burn more fuel per year, and you're likely sacrificing some speed compared to another large cabin purpose-built business jet. If you think an airliner-sized business jet fits your lifestyle, Boeing doesn't only offer VIP versions of the 737 family. The manufacturer can also deliver special configurations of even larger 787 and 777 airliners. Competitor Airbus Corporate Jets also offers a similar concept based on its various airliner models, from the ACJ220 all the way up to the ACJ350.